So over here, you can see that I have different design elements. And if I were to click and drag this, you can see that they move out right here. But let's say what I want is I want to lock out some of the layers in place so that I do not accidentally select them and move them out of place. So to do that, you can click on any one of the layer that you want to lock, and then you can right click on it. And over here, you can see lock is an option. And once you click on this, what happens is that the layer is locked out. So you can click and drag around other layers, but you cannot accidentally move this. So if you were to click on this on the right hand side, you can see unlock is an option, which you have to click on, and then only you will be able to move it. You can also go around and select out multiple layers right here and lock them out over here as well. So all of them are locked. So now what you can do is you can go around and then unlock it one by one right here to make it movable over here again. So that is how you can lock and unlock out layers inside of Prezi Design. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.